10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year to New York. Happy New Year, everybody. So today is currently the 1st, and we are trying to train Panda with her new toy. So I'm gonna record that for you guys. It's a little cold out here, but it is the best day that we're gonna have for a while. So we're trying it outside. Cause yeah, inside is just like down the hall and that's it. Like, so we're gonna try it outside, but our plug-in right now is currently not working, and it normally does. So he's trying to figure out what's going on. It's 37 degrees out, but it feels like 30. A little chilly, but come on, Panda, come inside for a little bit while Dad figures out the electrical.
There's a kid dying. Panda, come here. Come here. Come here. Shh. Over there.
Panda, it's out.
It's over there.
We have not conquered this. And then she buried the other one. We haven't masked. I know it does.
You lost it.
They're right there.
The phone's right here.
Oh God. She's getting there. She found one.
Okay, so it's currently Friday, January 3rd, I believe. We just got done putting some traps out on a new property. I didn't record any of it because it's like 25 degrees outside and it's cold, and I was wearing gloves, and my phone doesn't work with gloves. We only put a couple out. It's supposed to snow like a bunch. Like our area is supposed to get, I think, almost 10 inches, 12 inches is what I've heard. So we didn't put a ton out just because of the snow. So yeah, I didn't really record much. But new property, it's over by where we live. Currently picked up the pickup. We put new tires on the pickup. And yes, that's what's going on for today. Now we're headed home.
We are on our way to town to get a couple things. So come with us. It's fogging again. We're not gonna talk about it. Alrighty guys, we are back. We forgot. We bought a new scraper thingy for our truck. And we got this for our little niece. Look how cute it is. It's pink. She's gonna love it. We just gotta wrap it. And then we went and picked up some milk and some little things. But everybody's getting prepared for the storm that is coming.
And I live in Nebraska.
We're not gonna talk about that. Anyways, so we are waiting to hear back from his dad to go get the toolbox, and we have a hockey game today that we're gonna go to. You excited? You look so enthused. Alrighty, we'll talk to you in a bit.
Twin Cities current penalty, 18-20 period, their third period. Penalty on number 9, Ashton Johns. 2 minutes for holding Lincoln on the power play. One minute left in the third period.
blizzard to go check traps. It's currently like negative, I don't even know what it is, negative 10? Negative 10 degrees. We're gonna go check traps. And gas currently. It doesn't look bad, I know. It doesn't look that awful. There's a snowplow. But it is super icy. Roads are like crazy icy. Like I was scooping a little bit in front of the house and I was like sliding backwards as I was scooping. But it is really windy. We're in a blizzard warning, so that's kind of what it is. Super icy, super windy. It is really cold, like in the negatives. So yeah, just getting here, we were sliding around. We're at the gas station and we're literally like sliding everywhere. So we'll see how this goes. But we gotta check traps. It's the life. So yeah.
You can see, but it is snowing, guys. You're seeing it snow, guys. It's snowing, guys.
Are you cold, puppers?